From my perspective, if I have a bad leader, I'm actually kind of excited about it. Because here's the situation. Let's say you have a bad leader that has no idea what's going on. They're weak, they don't give you any direction, they're not telling you what's important. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lead. I'm gonna step up. I'm not gonna step on their toes, but I'm gonna step up and say, hey boss, here's what's going on. This is the situation we're in. I wanted to make sure I'm heading in the right direction. Here's where I'm gonna take the troops. And the weak leader goes, okay, that sounds like a good idea. Again, I don't bark at them. I don't say, hey, this is what we're doing. You're not giving us clear advice. I say, hey boss, I know you got a lot of stuff going on. This is the situation we're facing. Here's the direction I want to go. Is that okay with you? Does that make sense? And all of a sudden, leader looks at me and says, sounds like a plan. Go execute. So if I have a weak leader, no problem. I'm going to step up and lead. I actually enjoy that. They're going to give me room. They're going to allow me to do things. The other end of the spectrum, you get some kind of a leader that's a complete micromanager. And they're directing and trying to give you the minuscule instructions for everything that you're supposed to do. Okay, what do I do then? You know what I do? I follow their instructions and I push information up the chain of command and I say, hey boss, I know you wanted me to do this, this, and this, and I did those things, and I also did this, 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 and this. I want to make sure that you're totally comfortable with what I'm doing. I want to make sure you know that all the troops are going to eat at this time. And then we're going to do this at this time. We're going to clean up at this time. We're going to use the head at this time. I want you to know everything that's going on to make sure you're in your comfort zone. And eventually, I'm going to earn my leader's trust. And eventually, the micromanaging leader is going to say, hey, you know what? You got this. Just leave me alone. Go do what you got to do. And that's what I'll do. So if you have a bad leader, a quote, bad leader, you know what? Take ownership of it and step up and lead yourself. Again, you got to be careful you're not stepping on people's toes. You don't want to offend that leader, because then they might react in a way that's going to make you and the team suffer. What you want to do is you want to prop them up, you want to help them. You always want to make your leader look good. Always want to make your leader look good. They're in charge, make them look good. Give them the credit. And the more you do that, the more leeway you get, the better you can steer your team towards accomplishing the mission on the front lines.